Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix an out-of-time stinger transition in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have OBS running, navigate to Scene Transitions. You'll see this section in your OBS interface where all your transition settings are managed. Now, click on the drop-down menu within Scene Transitions and select Stinger from the list of available transitions. This is the transition type that allows you to use custom video overlays between your scenes, which is why it's so popular for creating professional-looking streams and recordings. Right below where you selected Stinger, you'll notice 3 dotted lines. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open up the detailed settings window for your Stinger transition, where you can fine-tune how it behaves. Inside the Properties window, look for an option called Transition Point Type. This setting controls how OBS determines when to switch from your transition video to the next scene. Click the drop-down menu right beside Transition Point Type and select Frame. Choosing frame instead of time is crucial because it ensures your transition syncs perfectly with your video's frame rate rather than relying on milliseconds, which can cause timing issues. Just below that, you'll see another setting labeled Transition Point Frame. Click on the text field next to it and type in 60. I'm using 60 because my FPS values are set to 60 frames per second. However, you should set this number based on your own FPS values. If you're recording or streaming at 30 FPS, you'd enter 30 instead. This ensures the transition point matches your exact frame rate, eliminating any synchronization problems. Once you've entered the correct frame value, look to the bottom right of the Properties window and click OK to save your changes. OBS will now apply these new settings to your Stinger transition. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the timing issue with your Stinger transition in OBS by switching from time-based to frame-based synchronization. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.